And Rayon just spoke to me in the store, and I was like, hello, Rayon. Hello. Hey, you guys, the Doc is Hope here, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. You guys, I actually went outside today for a run and I broke a sweat, which means that spring is officially here, not just because of the date, but because of the weather, and I am so happy about it. It's time to let out the arms and the shoulders and the legs and whatever else you feel comfortable letting out, okay? So, I went to Joann today and I bought some fabrics that I'm so excited about sharing with you guys. Some patterns that I have shared with you and others that I haven't gotten a chance to yet. But I will go through those, the patterns, the fabric, the thread, all of that good stuff. So I'm guessing this is more of a pattern / fabric haul. But here we go. This is what I'll be sewing for the month of April. It's hard to believe that we're already in April. It seems like the year just started, but here we are. All right, you guys, so here's the deal. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that so we can continue to hang out together and you can catch these videos once a week. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. All right, guys, so my first pattern that I'm going to share with you, I'm going to try to do it in the order of how I have my fabric laid out, is, oh yeah, McCall 7740. I don't think that I've talked about this one before, but look at that. Yes, this is just everything for spring, right? This is a woven fabric pattern, but they do give you the option of using stable knits. I personally got a woven fabric for this. I got a wonderful polyester spandex that I will, share with you guys in just a second. I love everything about this dress. I will be making view C. Here we go. Because like I said, it's spring and who doesn't mind showing a little back, right? The front is going to be all nice and modestly covered. And so when you turn around, bam, there's your back. Why not? Why not? Let a little sun-kissed back skin. Who doesn't love that? There's drama there. And the tie at the top, y'all know how I feel about a tie. So this whole situation is just a yes for me. It's a go. It's a yes for me. So let me show you the fabric. Like I said, it's a polyester spandex, and let me get it here. This is the fabric. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? Yeah, look at that. It's got like a little bit of sheen, just a little bit, but it's like a nice turquoise with a white floral. Y'all know how I feel about my prints. But look at that. Oh, it's just beautiful. Like it's kind of like soft and subtle, but just enough interest to make a statement, I think. So Polyspan, it's got just the smallest bit of stretch to it. So I am excited about that. Look at how that's gonna lay on the skin, on the body. It's just gonna float like spring should float, right? Who wants to feel weighed down in spring? No, ma'am, you're gonna float. It's time to float. So let's see, let me get this. And again, this Polyspan, it just doesn't wrinkle, or if it does, it doesn't wrinkle much. So I absolutely love that. Let me put this aside, you guys. So this particular dress actually, the Polyspan, let me tell you, again, I got it from Joann. It was $15.99 a yard, but it was on sale, 30% off. I'm not going to sit here and do the math just because it's been a long day. But I ended up getting 1 5/8 yards of that fabric. And it also calls for a lining, which my lining is all polyester, 100% polyester. That was $5.99 a yard, and I got 1 7/8 yards. So let me show you my lining. Just white, polyester, and you know, you can get the idea of how that's gonna look underneath, if you should see it, which you shouldn't, but you get the idea of how that's gonna go. So excited about that dress. And yeah, this is gonna be wonderful. Can't wait. All right, next pattern, you guys, is in order of my fabric. I think I shared this one with you guys. McCall 7407, which is this really cute dress. This is a knit, and it's very flowy, which I love. The arms are out, the legs are out. Nice bag, shoes, necklace. I just love how it's just very simple but elegant. Love that. I am needing and did buy a hook and eye and then fusible stay tape. I have not read far enough to see what that will be for, but I have it. So when I need it, I do have it this time. Talked to you guys before about notions and not getting my notions, getting them later. This time I got all my notions when I got my fabric. So, yay me. So I ended up getting 4 yards of this fabric. I'm assuming because there's so much draping here in the skirt, that's where all the extra yardage comes in. But when I saw 4 yards, well, it says 3 3/4 for a 60-inch wide piece of fabric. My piece of fabric was like 50 inches. So I said, okay, I'll need a little more. Let me go with 4 yards. I didn't think this dress would take 4 yards of fabric, or even 3 3/4 yards, but yeah, it is taking that much. Anyway, here's the fabric. Here's the fabric. Yes, again, this is a poly span, which I am amazed at how you can go from poly span in a woven to a poly span in a knit, but here we are. Look at the stretch on that, guys. Lovely. So just look at those colors. Green, a little salmon, yellows, whites, light greens, just beautiful, beautiful. Another floral, I guess, springtime florals. So I saw this and I was like, yeah, that would be beautiful. Because even though this is a solid, could you imagine that? That's going to be great. So excited about that one. So yeah, I ended up, this poly span at Joann was $16.99 a yard. And again, it was 30% off. There you go. So I literally just bought this fabric today. So it should still be in store. If you're interested. All right, guys, and I really just have one more pattern to share with you and the fabric. And I know I've covered this dress with you guys before. McCall 7774 in view C, which I will be making. I'm actually sewing this with rayon. Sewing it up with rayon with suggested crepe linen, cotton blends, and rayon just spoke to me in the store, and I was like, hello, rayon. Hello. Okay, so here's the fabric. Here's my rayon. And look at that. Look at that. That black, white, gray, blue. Normally, I don't really like to sew in black and white. so much because of all the colors and possibilities, but when I saw this print with those little strokes of blue throughout, it's saying to me, it's saying a spring tune to me. And the rayon, like the rayon, again, look at how that's gonna lay on the body. Let me get a bigger piece. Can you see how drapey and flowy that's gonna be in spring? Again, allowing you to float. Who doesn't love to float, right? Okay, so imagine that together, this fabric with this dress, and however that band occurs with the contrasting, it's just gonna be beautiful. So I'm excited about this one. Oh, I said I was gonna share with you guys the thread. I forgot to do that. So let me pull my fabric again. The first one was this light blue floral, which I got thread close enough to match. I love matching thread. It's like a treasure hunt, because you're in the store and you're like, and it just ding, that's the exact same color. I love it. I don't know if it's just me. Maybe I'm strange. Maybe not. I don't know. All right. And then for my green floral, I got green thread because it's mostly green. And this one was close enough. Not perfect, but close enough. And then I'm just going to use black thread for this one, since the dominant color seems to be black. You know, I think that that's a good choice. So that is it for my fabric and my thread choices. Of course, I got zippers, invisible zippers where they are needed. So I am so excited about those 3 patterns and the fabric. I love buying fabric, and especially when I have a great pattern that I'm excited about. So that is what I will be working on. You guys down in the comments, let me know what you guys are sewing up right now, what patterns you're excited about, and you know, just whatever for spring. What are you planning to make? I love to know. Love, love, love. All right, you guys. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I thoroughly enjoyed making this video for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Again, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can continue to hang out together and you can catch these videos once a week. All right, you guys, well, enjoy the rest of your week. And until next time, I will see you later.